Hi everyone, this is a Ford Mondeo Mk4 which has a problem with the wheel bearings on the rear side. Let's have a closer look at it and let's change the bearings and a few other parts as we go on. So let's jump in. Okay, so let's make a sound test to roll the wheel. I can hear the bearing is making some sound on this while driving. You can also notice sound, so I think it's certainly time to change those bearings. Okay, so let's start by taking the bolts off. So next we need to get this caliper assembly off. On the rear side there are some bolts which are holding the caliper assembly in place. If we move around here we can see that that's the caliper assembly or caliper bracket bolt, which we need to remove. I'm changing the brake pads and brake discs in any case, so I'm actually first removing the brake caliper. So in order to do that I need to get this handbrake cable out. So what I did is I just tightened the handbrake and put a clamp on it and then took the handbrake off. So now it should be easy to just get this cable out of here like this, and then I can remove the clamp. Okay, so I just pushed this out from the hole and clipped it out from here, lifting it up. So now it's out of the way, and I can next continue by getting this bolt and the bolt down here built out. I can start by adding some rust, removing oil. Everyone tried to do this myself yesterday, but it was kind of a bigger job than I anticipated, so I came here to the Hawler repair shop in Raisio. I'll leave a link down in the description to get this done. So let's jump into the video. This is the new hub assembly. It's a full kit with bolts in it. So these are the bolts for the brake caliper bracket. You get new bolts and there is already thread lock on them. Then these are the bolts which go torque screws which hold the hub in place. You can replace those as well, so 4 of those. And then we have a torque screw which holds the disc brake. There's the ABS sensor screw and a new O-ring for that one as well. Here we have already the brake disc removed, and we can hear the hub assembly is making a sound, so it's good to change this one as well. The 4 bolts which hold the hub in place are here, and you need to remove them from the back side. So they are somewhere in there. brake cleaner. Yeah, brake cleaner. There's a new O-ring in here. You just press it in like that. Okay.